Joy? Sinong Joy? Joy. Wala naman. Sinong Joy? Ha? You want to win or what? I wanna win, of course. Of course, it's my first ever OPK. Then, it's my birthday too. Koy, Joy Basa. Joy Basa? I play to win. Yay! Uy, ang layo naman. Zero Smurf, hello. Kali Tom, I'm gonna see you in my OPK, ha? Huwag mo ko pausahin. Ang layo naman, Ines. Wait, Joy Basa. Ito ba? Ang layo. Hindi ko kamukha. OA ka. Astrid. 16th, 8 a.m. No, it's ano. Ay, is that your time there? Hi, Pau. Spartata. Love you in your glasses. Pau. Pau, hi. Pau, may OPK ako sa 17. Support mo nga ako. Pau. Jeric, Eri, hi. First time ko pa man din yun. Naglalag ba ako? Then. ID number, hi. Ron, hello. Yeah, it will be the 17th early morning for me. Okay. Wow, who's that? King Crab. Hello. Ganda naman ng entrance mo. King Crab, ikaw ba yon entrance mo? Bullet, send ka ng ABA pag meron ka na. Wala akong parang ganun, edited na pang PK. Which college do you go? If you don't mind asking, I know it's confidential to share to me. Basta, it's here in Manila. Hi, Ace. It's here in Manila. Kalitom. Kalitom. Dragon is too expensive pala. I'm going to see that in my birthday. Hi, Clark. Chupable. Hi, no name. Hello. Third, Junior. Banal, Eins, Dark Knight, Kali, Tom. Oh, okay, in Pasay, as you mentioned a while ago. Yeah, but my school is in Ai, how look tall are you? I'm 5'4". I'm 5'4". My height is 5'4". I'm a tall. I'm a tall woman. I'm in Pasay, but my school is in Manila. Oh, you still short. No, that's tall na. For a girl. I'm tall. Because my mom and dad are both tall. Yeah, I'm tall. O, pagawa ka ng banapang picky for me. Uy, wag na, naihiya ako. Yeah, you're fine. What do you mean you're fine? July. Oh, okay. I know some school in Manila because I also earned my degree there too. Wow! What school? I'm near I'm near Uste. Hello, Miss Beautiful. Hi, Saturn. I'm just near UST. Hi, Ken. Ken. What? I know us and all those schools in you. Yeah, yung belt. I mean, ano. Hi, Ken. Ken, punta ko sa PK ko sa September 17. 10 p.m. Wow, thank you. Aga mo mag-live ha? Oo nga, uy, wala ako sa live ko kagabi. Nag-live ako madaling araw. Hi, Saint CBR. Nag-live ako madaling araw kagabi. Hanggang ano kaya ako, 5 a.m. 5:30 mag-ano na nun. Nakatulog na ako sa bagay. Mumaga na yun. 91 years old, ganda. Kaya pwede ganyan ganda iyan. Where's your jowa or husband? What? Hi, Jinju. Eve, hello. Ikaw ba yung nagsabi? Ken, ikaw ba yung nagsuggest na magpaset ako ng PK sa birthday ko? Sinunod ko naman. PS. Kaliwang kinala sa loob. PSBA. San Sebastian Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. No, Joan. Yeah, no. No, Kali. Hindi ako. Ay, hindi ba ikaw? Ah, baka si Ace. Thank you, Banal, for tapping. Then you must them once. What? SBI ko lang. Ay, sabi ko lang, attend ako peak. SBI ang puta. Damn crazy ass. Once.